Hi everyone, how was my last tutorial about requesting for help in the German language? Do write your comments in the comments section. In this tutorial, I will show you a modal verb which is das modal verb möchten. The only modal verb that I showed you before was the English can, which in German is können, and it comes in the sentences and questions showing that you can do something. For example, I can speak German, or I can bake, etc. So this modal verb können I have covered in detail in my tutorials 18 and 19, which show how the modal verb können or can comes in the German sentences and questions. So in this tutorial, let me first show you how to conjugate möchten. So moving on, now what exactly is möchten? Möchten in German means want. So when you want something, you will use this modal verb möchten. So you do need to know how to conjugate with the different forms I, you, he, she, it, etc. So it will be ich möchte, I want, du möchtest, you want, but informal you, talking with friends, family, etc. Sie möchten, you want, but the formal form, when I'm talking to some stranger or someone who is older than me, etc. Sie, es möchte, he, she, it wants, wir möchten, we want, ihr möchtet, all of you want. By all of you, I mean that if I have two people standing in front of me to whom I'm talking, I will address those two people as ihr. But they can be more than two people that I'm talking to. So two or more people will be ihr. And sie möchten, they want. Now the tricky bit in German is that the she form sie and the they form sie will appear with a small s unless they're written at the beginning of German sentences. but the you form that you use to address formally will make use of Z with a capital S always, whether it is in the beginning of the sentence or inside a sentence or even inside a German question. Now note that this is how können or can is conjugated in German. And I want to show you that the forms of conjugation for modal verbs have a certain pattern. And the pattern is that for I and for he, she, it, the forms will be the same. So kann, ich kann, er, sie, es kann. In the same way, I want is ich möchte, he, she, it wants, er, sie, es möchte. Then there is a bit of difference for the do form and for the ihr form also, but the rest of them, sie, wir and sie, will look similar. So that was all for today. Do stay updated for part 2 of this tutorial, in which I show you how to put möchten in the German questions and sentences. Thank you.